NEGMAWON, mais qui tient, ou fait là, money so sweet inside of it, we don't even call it money no more. We call it Nini. Sweet. Nini. So today, I go by the name of King Sizzy, aka Pete Fiel, aka Keep Pushing. Now, aka your favorite king.
Et mon Joe, moi abandonné, mon voisin pour aller jouer. Et mon Joe, seul mon Dieu l'a abandonné jouer. Et les gens qui là aller pour aller jouer, ou fait succès pirate. Et mon Joe.
I have to clear some things out for you guys. Okay? You see now, I'm talking to you. Okay? Yet, I'm not talking to you. Why I say I'm not talking to you? Because you listening to me talking to you in English. Yet I tell you, listen, this is not English, man. This is NEGMAWON language. Now, check out your skin color. You see? Now you found out you're a NEGMAWON before you even found out your skin color. Woo! Which reminds me, that's exactly what happened to Kanyewest. Kanyewest don't care about the skin color. None of that matters. Okay, Kanyewest is an alien, not an alien, but you know, he doesn't want to be put in a box. Okay, that paradigm thing you're trying to put people in, you tell white people to hit black people, you tell black people to hit white people. Kanyewest is not trying to be put in that paradigm. That's for you. Okay, you enjoy it, you love doing that nonsense. That's for you. Take Kanye out of it and all the NEGMAWONs out of it. Now, you see me talking to you in the dark. Let me turn on the light. I don't see me no more. What that mean? Exactly. Keep it moving. Wait, where am I? Here I am again. You've been looking for my bill right there. Let's try to turn on the light again. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Woo! I can like cut like that. One babum like that. But listen, you don't like Kanye, but you need to like this. I'm your favorite king. Like this video.